Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna speak about an error that is coming when you access your speech to text in Windows. So if you've got that error 0x80049dd3 when you are trying to access your speech to text, this is the video for you to help you resolve it. I have a couple of solutions to sort out this issue, so let's start with them one by one. The first solution is go to the search toolbar and type updates. Click on check for updates. Click here, check for updates. Now Windows is checking for updates, so if you've got any updates, go ahead, download and install these updates, then check if this error has been resolved. This is the first solution. If that didn't work for you, go ahead and check the second solution. Go to the search toolbar and type device manager. Device manager will appear as a best match. Click on it. Here, scroll down, go to sound, video and game controller, expand it. You will see here a list of devices. Click on the one you are using, right click on it and then click on uninstall device. Then click on uninstall. Once you do that, restart your PC and check if this error has been resolved. This is the second solution. If that didn't work for you, let's now apply the third solution. For that, I have a couple of commands which I will put them in the video description for you to copy and paste them. I'm gonna open the command list, copy them, and then go to your desktop, right click, click on new, then click on text document, and then click on that file, paste these commands, and then go to file, then click on save as. You can name this file anything, but it should be .bat. So let's say commands.bat, and then save as type. Click on all files and then save it on the desktop. You will see that the bat file has been saved here. Once you click on this file, all the commands will start one by one, and this page will close once it is done. As you can see now, it is already closed, so all this command has been executed. Now restart your PC and check if this error has been resolved. If again this error was not resolved, you can apply now solution number 4. For that, you need to create another Microsoft account. Go to Start menu, click on Settings, click on Home, click on Accounts, click on Family and Other Users. In Other Users, click on Add someone else to this PC. Click on I don't have this person sign in information. Click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Then type the name here and put your password, and then click on next until you create a new Microsoft account. Once you do that, try your speech to text. It should have been working. With that, I have come to the end of this video. If this video have helped you, give it a super thanks by liking the video and subscribing to my channel to watch upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.